Welcome back, Bridgeview Nice. This is Mrs. Vaughn, your principal. We are looking forward to seeing you virtually or in person. Please remember that when you come to school to have your mask on or your face shield. Our teachers have worked hard these 10 days to get lessons ready, their rooms ready. We've worked at the school level as far as putting safety precautions in so that when you come to school, it is as safe as possible. And when you go home from school, it is still safe as possible. Please remember that when you do come to school, you will see staff in their masks, just like me. Please do not be scared when people have their masks on. This is for our safety and your safety. Once again, we look forward to seeing you back here, and we cannot wait. Have a wonderful Labor Day weekend.